monte de negócio de construção, né?
Aí hoje está. Tem trem também.
Ah, é.
Hoje por aí.
Será que ontem a gente estava de borracha?
We use wood from poplar trees. We use wood from these specific trees because it is quite soft, which makes it perfect to make wooden shoes with. Now we also use the wood when it is still fresh and wet. That makes it extra easy to cut. I'll show you. You can see it's as easy as grating cheese. It's a little Dutch reference. Okay, so these machines are around 80 years old. And they're what we use to make our shoes nowadays. They're all mechanized and industrialized. However, in the past, when we did not have them, we would just grab a block of wood like that, and we would carve at it to create the shape of a wooden shoe by hand. And after that, we'd use these things called spoon scoops to hollow out the inside of the shoe. It's almost a lost art now, only a few people still know how to do that. But it took a skilled shoemaker about 2 hours to make one pair of shoes this way. However, with these machines, it will only take 5 minutes. Now first, we're going to create the outside shape of a wooden shoe with this machine. It's basically a copy machine. You see the spinning blade here will trace over our model shoe on the left, and that way create a copy shoe on the right. This machine basically does the same thing, only instead of tracing the outside of the model, we're tracing the inside. There we have the rough finished shape of our shoe. However, our shoe isn't finished yet because the wood is still very wet. I'll show you. You don't see that every day. Half the weight of the shoe is the water still inside. So next we'll leave it to dry by air for about 3 weeks. And after that, we polish it on a sandpaper belt. Like that. And after that, we'll have a polished wooden shoe for a child of around 4 years old. Wooden shoes for adults though, they're a lot bigger. They look more like this. Ta-da! Now we typically wear them with thick woolen socks, so they're comfortable for your feet. And 1 finger of free space behind the heel. They're supposed to be quite roomy for your feet, so they're comfortable to walk around. Now finally, the reasons to wear wooden shoes is that they're very warm. Once they're dry, they're also waterproof. And of course, they're very strong and they protect your feet very well. They're official registered safety shoes. I'll show you. Very sturdy. So that's how I make the wooden shoes. Thank you. Have a nice holiday.